Hello and welcome back to another video, not like you see many time on this channel, because I just mainly do live streams, but that's for another video. See, people use that. You get it now, right? Okay, on to the actual video. This, like I said, this isn't a typical video, just because what I'm thinking of doing is I'm doing like a build vlog, like building a PC, but because I was like looking on a couple forums. It's a server. I was looking at a couple of forums and I saw some like Xeons that people were saying were really good performance for their money. So I like checked them out, and I also looked at a local computer store in my town, and I saw that we had a Socket 771 dual CPU slot motherboard, which seems with DDR2 takes dual buffer RAM, which is double buffered RAM, which is pretty good. Like, and then I looked for the best deal on CPUs, and this is currently what I could find. I could find Intel quad core, or I found some Xeon quad cores, some E53 E45s. They're only at like 2.4, 2.33, but they are quad cores. And if I buy two of these, since they're only a 1370 a piece, and they have pretty good shipping too. Ireland, is that good shipping? Well, to Canada, whatever. Since they have that good shipping, I could just like ship them here. And for instance, if I'm just really quickly, I'm just gonna look for RAM. Here's some more specs of the CPU if you want. It was launched in 2007. It's a quad core, 2.38 gigahertz, 8 megabytes of cache. I mean, what you would expect. TDP is pretty good at 80. Usually it's higher than that on Xeons. Well, not really. They're designed for that sort of thing, but it's not too bad for like the price range and how good it is. Like, if I put two of them in this motherboard, that's an 8-core or machine, and like a server, I mean, Cinebench, you know, that would work a lot better on that than my main PC, maybe. I'll have to test that. It's pretty much just a cheap project. Like, if I just look for this, let's just say, I can't spell, what? Never mind. I'm sorry. If you look for like double buffered server RAM, you can find some like really cheap stuff. For instance, if I go to like, this is like some of the good stuff. If I try and like, why is it not in like the normal format? Whatever. If you look in this stuff, hold on. Okay, I might have screwed that up, but not entirely. But as you see, like, you can get 32 gigs here for $50. This is PC2, which is what it has. 8 gigs for $20, which is like a pretty good deal. Look at this. This is like many gigs of RAM. This is 16 gigs for $25. Like, if you scroll down here, you see that there are some pretty good deals. I'm pretty sure you've got the message. That's not good. Okay, pretty sure, or you've got the message. Like, I could, for instance, just get 16 gigs for $25. Probably find even a better deal than that. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and like build it inside of like a drawer or something like that. I'm gonna try and do something creative and do a build vlog, like build log type sort of thing. And this is also sort of a channel update, just saying that this channel isn't dead. I still might be uploading. I'm probably gonna be uploading soon in the future when these CPUs actually arrive. I still have to order these. I mean, this one seems a bit beat up, but they should work mechanically fine, even though they don't have any moving parts, whatever. Electronically fine. How you say that? And also, I'm going to introduce a new person on my channel, which you might have seen before. He is Owen, or the editor. And that is him. And also, like, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a build log. Yeah, you didn't even see Owen, but whatever. Or the editor. Never mind. Whatever. Still, this is just a channel update. It's just a channel update. That's probably what I'm gonna be doing in the future. I'll order these and I'll do like a build vlog because I've got some proper cameras I can set up other than like this crappy webcam that I forgot to set up. You know, it's pretty good when you forget to like enable your webcam. Alright, that's better. I'm so good at this recording thing, aren't I? So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I've said that I've just been repeating myself now. Yes, that's all for today, and you'll see more in the future, hopefully.